put me in a house, I would much prefer a flat. If you put me in a flat, then I'd rather have a house. If you set me on a mouse, then I only want a rat. If you set me on a rat, then I'd rather chase a mouse.
The Rum-Tum-Tugger is a curious cat,
and there isn't any call for me to shout it.
For he will do as he did do,
and there's no doing anything about it. My disobliging ways are a matter of habit. Now if you offer me fish, then I'll always want a feast. If there isn't any fish, then I won't eat rabbit. If you offer me cream, then I'll sniff and sneer. I only like what I find for myself. And there's no doing anything about
Jellicoe cats, come one, come all. The Jellicoe moon is shining bright. Jellicoes come to the Jellicoe ball.
Jellicoe cats.
And bright.
And pleasant to hear when we caterwaul.
Jellicoe. say now these kittens, they do not get trained as we did in the day when Victoria reigned. They never get drilled in a regular troop, and they think they are smart just to jump through a hoop.
And he says as he scratches himself with his claws,
Well,
a worthy note. I might mention Mungo Jerry. I might mention Griddlebone are nothing more than agents for a cat who all the time just controls the operations. The Napoleon of crime! He's a fiend in flesh, a monster of depravity. You may meet him in a basement, you may see him in the square. But when a crime's discovered, then macavity, 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 macavity. Crimes discovered then macavities. Are nothing more than agents for the cat who all the time just controls the operations. The Napoleon of crime!